Most people get online banks wrong by assuming they are limited compared to traditional banks, but mBank has grown into a robust digital banking platform with a full suite of features from personal accounts to business solutions. Today, I'm giving you an honest review based on my experience, so you know exactly what to expect. Opening an account with mBank is straightforward. The registration is entirely online, and you can have your account ready in a matter of minutes. Most people get this wrong by assuming digital banks are slow or require tons of paperwork, but mBank makes it surprisingly quick. Once logged in, the interface is intuitive. You can easily manage checking and savings accounts, set up automatic payments, and even access budgeting tools that track spending and categorize your expenses. I found these features particularly helpful for monitoring cash flow without juggling multiple apps. mBank also offers virtual and physical debit and credit cards, with instant card locking if your card is lost or stolen. International transfers are simple, and their fee structure is transparent, so you're not hit with hidden charges, a big difference compared to traditional banks. Most people don't realize how much convenience this adds to everyday banking. One standout feature is their mobile app, which includes fingerprint login, instant notifications, and an integrated investment section. You can invest in mutual funds or savings products directly through the app, making it a one-stop financial hub. On the downside, some advanced banking services, like complex loans or wealth management, are limited compared to larger traditional banks. Customer support is primarily online or via phone, so if you prefer in-person service, this might be a drawback. In conclusion, mBank is an excellent choice if you want a modern, fully digital banking experience with strong security, budgeting tools, and convenient features. Most people save time, avoid fees, and get better visibility into their finances compared to traditional banking. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online banks and financial platforms to help you make smarter money decisions.